mismatch with the genes. Okay, only two genes are involved, that is MLH1 and MSH2. This two alone is more than enough. Okay, first the mutation is going to happen because of that microsatellite instability will be there. So whatever the cells are being produced, the DNA is going to be unstable. Because of the instability, more amount of mutation is going to happen in this cell. Okay, so microsatellite instability will be there. So there will be formation of serrated adenomas. Okay. Furthermore, there will be BRAF mutation will be there. BRAF gene mutation. So that is going to lead to increased cell proliferation and development of carcinoma that is going to get invaded into your deeper layers. Okay, here only two gene mutation. What is MLH1, MSH2? Because of that, microsatellite instability is going to happen. Next thing, BRAF mutation. Because of that, there will be development of carcinoma. That is enough. Other than that, you leave it. You don't have to write anything. This microsatellite instability is most important. Okay, any doubts in this? 80% of this colorectal carcinoma are associated with ABCP 53 KRAS. Remaining 20% are associated with this mismatch with the gene mutation. Okay, any doubts in this two pathways? This one and this one? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Anyone having any doubt? So this is already given in your textbook. So colorectal carcinoma, grossly. All colorectal carcinoma will be an adenocarcinoma. What is the commonest pattern for adenocarcinoma? Pattern. How the tumor cells will be arranged? Glandular pattern. Okay, so grossly you can see malignant adenoma. Other than that, you can see a small polypoidal carcinoma. Other than that, the adenoma can be a large sessile adenoma, and other type of growth is ulcerating carcinoma will be there. These are the different patterns of growth you can see. The commonest growth is adenomatous pattern. Okay, adenoma can be malignant adenoma, or a large sessile serrated adenoma, or it can be a small polypoid of the. Other than that, it can be an ulcerating carcinoma. Okay, this is most important. Carcinoma involving the ascending colon will be presenting differently. Carcinoma involving the descending colon will be presenting differently. Okay, two patterns of growth you are going to see. This side is more important because in your final exam, they will be asking how will you differentiate between a CL colon from right side to left side. Right means ascending colon, left means descending colon. That is entirely different. This is most important. Okay. So ascending colon carcinoma will be a polypoidal fungating masses we are going to see. Okay, and this is going to involve the mass occupies the outermost layers of the ascending colon. So it will be presenting as a mass outside the colon. Okay, so because of that, obstruction won't be there. Because the mass is present in the outside part of the colon. So obstruction is uncommon. And the mass will be in the form of polypoidal mass. Polypoid means will be a round swelling type of mass will be there. Okay, so obstruction is not going to happen because it is present in the outer surface of the ascending colon. So that is the ascending colon cancer. Next is the descending colon lesion. This is going to present inside the descending colon. The mass will be present inside the descending colon. So colon is a tubular structure. Inside the tubular section, you can see a lumen. Inside the lumen, it will be in the form of annular encircling lesion. Okay, they produce a napkin ring-like constriction. This mass is going to present inside the colon. That is going to present as napkin ring-like constriction. Because of this constriction, what will be the patient will be having? Obstruction, because the mass is present inside the lumen. So, lumen will be narrowed because of the mass. Because of that, patient will be having intestinal obstruction will be there. Okay, this is the commonest difference between ascending and descending colon. Any doubts in this? Ascending colon will be a polypoidal type of mass. The mass will be presenting as the outer surface of the colon, so no obstruction will be there. Descending colon cancers, the mass is going to present inside the colon. It's going to present as an annular ring-like configuration. So the appearance will be napkin ring-like constriction you are going to see because of the lumen is going to get narrowed. Finally, obstruction you are going to see. Okay, obstruction is common in descending colon cancer. Ascending colon, there will be an obstruction. Okay, this is most important. You understand any doubts in this? So here, this part is a ascending colon cancer. This part is a descending colon cancer. Here, this whole thing is the ascending colon. Here, this reddish color lesion you can see, right? This is the mass. It is a polypoidal type of mass. It is present in the outer surface of the colon. Okay. Here, this is the cut surface of the descending colon. Here, the lumen has been completely obstructed. This whole thing is the mass and some amount of calcification you can see. Okay. Always this mass is going to present inside the colon. But in ascending colon malignancies, the mass is present outside the colon. Any doubts in this? Here, obstruction is uncommon. Here, obstruction is common. Any doubts? So I have already told all colorectal carcinoma are going to be adenocarcinoma. So adenocarcinoma. What is the lining epithelium of the colon? Columnar epithelium. How a columnar epithelium will appear?
Long, slender, and base.
Glandular pattern. Lumen will be there. This tumor is going to arise from the glands. So that's why the pattern will be in the form of adenocarcinomatous pattern. That can be differentiated into three types. One is well differentiated, moderately differentiated, and poorly differentiated. How we are going to differentiate between these three? How will we differentiating? Microscopically, what are the changes you are going to see? Well differentiated means you can see the pattern of a tumor. Any tumor, the pattern of a parent tissue you can see. More amount of glandular pattern you can see in case of well differentiated tumors. Okay. Next thing is moderately differentiated means 50% pattern of a parent cell you can see. So 50% glandular pattern will be there. Remaining 50% will be in the form of solid pattern. You won't be seeing any pattern. Okay. Last thing is your poorly differentiated means no pattern you are going to see. So the tumor will be entirely with a solid type of tumor. Okay. Well differentiated means more glandular pattern. Moderately means 50% glandular, 50% solid pattern. Last thing is your poorly differentiated means entirely with a solid pattern. Okay.